Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a short trick, a small trick, let us say, about Bayes' theorem for JEE Mains and Advanced. In this trick, we will not be required to name anything. We can just solve the sum directly without naming things. This can only be used for JEE Mains, Advanced or other competitive exams, but not for the 12th boards. So let's get started. So, this is the first question. It's given that if bag 1 has 3 red and 4 blue balls and bag 2 has 2 blue and 5 red balls and a red ball is drawn at random, then find the probability it's from bag 1. This is an application of Bayes' theorem. Here I have drawn the tree type structure for this trick. So in bag 1 it's given that it has 3 red and 4 blue, so I'm just going to write it as 3 red and 4 blue. And in bag 2 it has 2 blue and 5 red, so this is 2 blue and 5 red. Now I have to choose any one of the bags, either bag 1 or bag 2. So the probability of me choosing bag 1 or bag 2 is just 1 by 2, because I have to choose any one from the two. And the probability of choosing a red ball from this is 3 from bag 1 is 3 divided by total 7. And in bag 2 it's 5 divided by total, which is 7. Now we have to multiply them by the chances of choosing the bag respectively, so into 1 by 2 and into 1 by 2 in this case. Now they asked for the probability it's drawn from bag 1. So what we have to do is we have to write the probability, this value from bag 1, divided by the sum of these two values, 3 by 7 into 1 by 2 plus 5 by 7 into 1 by 2. In this case this gets cancelled and this value comes out to be 3 by 3 plus 5, 8. So the probability of choosing a red ball which comes from bag 1 is 3 by 8. Now let's move on to another example. This question is similar to the previous question. I have just changed a few values. If bag 1 has 3 red and 4 blue and bag 2 has 3 blue and 5 red balls, a red ball is drawn at random, then find the probability it is from bag 1 if it is given that the probability of choosing bag 1 is 2 by 3 and choosing bag 2 is 1 by 3. So let's get started with the solution. So as I have mentioned before, first we'll have to draw a tree-like structure. Name them B1 and B2 for bag 1 and bag 2 respectively. And bag 1 has 3 red and 4 blue balls and bag 2 has 3 blue and 5 red balls. Now it's given that the probability of choosing bag 1 is 2 by 3 and the probability of choosing bag 2 is 1 by 3. And now they're asking for the probability of choosing a red ball, which would be 3 by the total 7 multiplied by chance of choosing bag 1, 2 by 3, and the probability of getting a red ball from bag 2, which would be 5 by the total 8, into the probability of choosing bag 3, which would be 1 by 3. Now to get it from bag 2, sorry, I'll just move it a bit down. Now to get it from bag 2, bag 1, the probability would be 3 by 7 into 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 8 into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 7 into 2 by 3. The 3's get cancelled. On simplifying this, we get 48 by 83. Yeah. So that's going to be the probability of choosing a red ball which has come from bag 1. This question will be displayed on the screen because it's kind of big. So it's given that bag A, sorry, I'll just try it a bit smaller. So this is bag A and this is bag B. If bag A contains 3 white and 7 red balls while bag B contains 3 white and 2 red balls, then find the probability that a white ball is drawn at random from the first bag, and the probability of a white ball being drawn at random from the first bag is equals to P. Then 3P is equals to what? As I've discussed before, the probability of choosing bag 1 is 1 by 2. The probability of choosing bag 2 is 1 by 2. The probability of choosing a white ball from the bag A is 3 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 2. And from here it's 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 2. So from choosing it from bag A, this will be 3 by 10 into 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 10 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 2, which will be equal to 1 by 3, and it's given this is P. So P is equals to 1 by 3 because this value is equals to P, and they ask the value of 3P. Sorry, this implies 3P is equals to 1. Therefore the answer is 1. So this is another good question. A letter is known to have come from either Tatanagar or Calcutta. On the envelope, just 2 consecutive letters TA are visible. The probability that the letter has come from Tatanagar. So I've written Tatanagar and Calcutta. This is L and that is C. Okay. And the probability of a letter coming from either Tatanagar or Calcutta is 1 by 2 each respectively. Now they asked they said on the letter 2 letters TA are only visible. So let's create all the possible pairs. So those are CA, AL, LC, CU, UT, TA, TA. Sorry, TT and TA. So for creating pairs, it's actually easy. All we need to do is keep a bar on the first letters, and then below the second letter keep another bar, then for the second letter keep another bar, and repeat the process for all the letters. Now they said that TA is consecutive. This means how many TAs are possible in this? 1 TA, 2 TAs. So 2 divided by the total number of possible pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 2 by 8. And in this, only 1 TA is present, and the total number of possible pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, multiplied by the chances of choosing them. They asked for the probability that the letter has come from Tatanagar. So that will be equals to 2 by 8 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 8 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 7 into 1 by 2. As usual, if they are same, just cancel them out. That's 2 by 8 by 2 by 8 plus 1 by 7, which is equals to 2 by 8 divided by 14 plus 8 divided by 8 into 7, which is equals to 7 2s are 14. This is 14 divided by 14 plus 8, which is 22, which is equals to 7 by 11. So that's the answer to the question. So this is going to be the end of the video. This trick can be used for how many ever possibilities there are. Doesn't matter. If there are 3 possibilities, you just have to keep 3 arrows. 4 possibilities, 4 arrows. Find the probabilities each, multiply it by the chances, and just solve using the similar process. If you have any doubts, you can comment it and I will clarify it. So thank you for joining. Bye.
And yeah, if you have any doubt in a specific sum, just post the question and I will solve the question as soon as I can. Thank you.